How to add music to Facebook post. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Facebook story. Adding music to your Facebook story can help you enhance your content and make it more engaging. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you will need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top, you will find What's on Your Mind box. Tap on this box to create a new post. And once you reach to this Create Post section, here below the text box, you will see several options like photo, video, tag friends, check-in, etc. And at the very bottom, you will find Music option. Tap on this Music option. A list of popular songs will appear. Now you can browse through the categories or use the search bar to find the specific song. Once you have searched for the song, now tap on the song you want to add to your post. After selecting the song, you can choose the photos or videos from your gallery. Now after selecting a song and a picture, you can choose a specific clip of your song to include in your post. Drag the music track to select the part of song you want to feature. Once you are satisfied with it, tap on this done button at the top, and you may also include any text, tag friends, check-ins, or add other content as you normally do. And once you are satisfied with your post, tap on this done option at the bottom right. Wait for a while until it proceeds. After tapping on done, you will reach to this page. Here tap on this post option to publish it with the selected music. Now wait for a while until it gets published. Now once it gets published, you will see you have successfully added music to your Facebook post. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.